National Weather Service in Wilmington has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Fayette County, Ohio, east central Greene County, southeastern Clark County, southwestern Madison County, until 4:45 p.m. At 4:18 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Jamestown, moving northeast at 25 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts and penny-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Jamestown, South Charleston, Jeffersonville, South Solon, Midway, Interstate 71 at State Route 38, Gladstone, Bookwalter, Shady Grove, and Bell Center. This includes I-71 in Ohio between mile markers 73 and 78.